So it is movie night, and we gotta have homemade popcorn. One of my most famous or most viewed videos is popcorn. I want to walk through the whole process from beginning to end. And let's start with the ingredients. Get yourself a Mia, okay? You gotta have a Mia helper, okay? Most important tool. Popcorn. I just bought this at Trader Joe's. This is organic, so I do prefer that.
I like the black ones.
Yeah, I can't find the red ones. If you ever find red kernel popcorn,
yeah, I think
it's the best. Butter. I do a clarified butter, and what's been happening here for the last, I want to say 15-20 minutes, I put a whole 2 sticks of butter in there at the lowest heat, and you're gonna see what clarified butter is. This is how you get butter that doesn't burn, because all the milk solids are at the bottom. You see that little layer at the bottom there? Whoop! See, you don't want to get that, so I gotta back it up. A little bit gets in there, but see that little white part at the bottom? I'm trying to separate that, and so that's what happens when you boil your butter at a low temperature. Just falls to the bottom. I will use that for omelets, scrambled eggs. Now what you have is a clarified butter. It's clear, no milk solids. There's a little bit at the top, but I'm gonna put this into the wok and it won't burn. So instead of using oil, you use butter. Healthier, and you get the flavor of butter inside your popcorn kernels. All right, next up, salt and pepper. Most of the girls just want salt, so we'll do that. But if you're extra fancy like me, Parmesan cheese, black pepper. So what you do is you take your Parmesan, cube it up. And the reason you're doing this is because if you shred it, that's all good. But if you grate it, similar to the green bottle, you get a much finer Parmesan. There you go. Keep pulsing it. Keep going. Put it in the sink, please. Go get a small spatula.
See you in a Leo.
And then what's gonna happen here is this Parmesan is gonna cling on to the popcorn kernels way better. See, you want it as fine as possible.
One? How about doing
shredded? You mean?
Yeah.
No, we're not doing shredded. We're doing grated.
I'm just saying, is which one's better? And this is Santa Leo too.
All right, so this is what I use to make my popcorn. I use a wok. I like it because it moves heat up the sides, but then when you have those rogue kernels that don't burn or don't pop, they go to the bottom and it's all focused right there. I also made a special lid. This is the lid I use, and I drilled holes at the top so it lets the steam escape. That's gonna make sure that your popcorn isn't soggy and it's nice and crisp. A big bowl, because I'm gonna toss it in here with the clarified butter, and then have the serving bowls ready, and then this is just a scoop. First thing you're gonna do, turn on your heat, medium high. Get it nice and hot, but not too hot. And typically you wanna have your fan on, so I'm gonna turn that on. I'm just gonna go through the whole process together. You gonna help me? Okay. All right, let's do this.
Hi. So now we're gonna make the popcorn.
That's right. All right, so what you're gonna do is take some butter and just gonna put a little bit in there. Go ahead.
Are you gonna spin it?
Yeah, I will.
Tell me, is that good?
A little bit more. That's good. Go ahead and put the
popcorn?
Yep, put the popcorn in
Oh,
there.
this is gonna pop, right?
It's okay. Go ahead. There you go. Good.
It might pop.
Alright. So at this point, you're just gonna wait for it to start popping. You don't want it to be at the hottest point because it will burn. There's a medium, high, medium range that you want it to be. You gotta listen. So one thing I do want to do here is move it and let some steam escape. And you can start hearing it. And I'm checking it too once in a while. Turning off the heat now.
Sometimes they still pop.
Exactly, that's why you want to keep it. You see how I'm lifting it up like this? Because at this point, the popcorn that's at the bottom won't pop up. So it's okay, and I'm letting all the steam escape. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's Oh my gosh, that's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Go ahead and put some salt in there. There you go. That's good. Yep. So what I like to do is I like to pour the butter on the sides, right down the side of the bowl, so that it doesn't directly hit any of the popcorn. This is kind of a lot of popcorn for this bowl. That's okay. Here, you want to do the salt? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna do a little more butter. What's that? Want to do a taste test? Okay. Go ahead, do a taste test. How is it? Is it good? Does it need more salt? No? Okay, cool. There you go. Go ahead, try one.
Gee, we had cream popcorn today, a few minutes ago.
Alright, so let me try it.
A little bit more salt?
No, it's actually really good. If people want more salt, they can add it. Parmesan cheese now. There you go. Good.
Daddy, I'm a doobie.
Remember, don't move your wrists. You move your hand, your whole arm. There you go.
Can I do that?
Good job.
Daddy, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that, Daddy.
You want to do that? Okay. Here, you can do it for daddies. Here. Go ahead. Put some of that in there. Good. Thank you.
Daddy, hold me.
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
Hold me, Daddy.
Hold you? No, you don't need to be held. Go over here. Okay.
A little bit more.
Thank you for your help. Hey, is that better than movie popcorn? Movie theater popcorn?
Try this one. Actually, but the Parmesan, yes.
Yeah, with the Parmesan. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Now, of course, if you have a microwave, it's way easier, but this, there's just something about real butter, clarified butter, Parmesan cheese. Just so good. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see on this channel. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want more food videos. Is it good?
Huh?
Is it good?
No, I didn't taste it.
Oh, you didn't taste it? Okay.